how do you credit your account on Gate Polymarket? You can credit your account like a normal way you credit your Gate account, but when you get to this stage and you want to buy or sell, you can also come to this place. You tap here, this plus sign, tap plus sign. You can see transfer. This transfer is for between Gate exchange users to another Gate exchange user. That is going to be through your Gate user ID. This is on chain. That is, you want to receive funds from Bybit, Binance, or you want to transfer funds to your Gate exchange account from your MetaMask wallet or your Trust wallet. That's when you use this. Suppose you want to transfer money from your bank account in your country. This is when you use P2P. It will take you to where you do the P2P. Look at it. You want to buy USDT. So that's how you fund your Gate Polymarket account to stake your money and make your prediction.